what's the date today? It's 17th. सॉरी, इतना confusion date में ये काट दूंगी मैं. वो बोल रही है कि मैंने उसको लेना नहीं चाहिए, but she has no idea that I have already taken her in the vlog. So yes. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is a super new vlog and it will be a exciting vlog, I guess. At least it is for me. I'm super excited and nervous and happy that I'm doing it. What am I doing? I am celebrating my parents' 25th anniversary this year. It's on 25th April, but I'm planning to celebrate it on 21st April because I have my internship going on और मैं छुट्टी नहीं ले सकती हूँ on 25th. I'm not complaining. Touchwood, I'm very happy with the internship. But yes, so I'm planning to get it done on 21st, that is Sunday. And the plan is it will be a very intimate affair where very few people will be invited, not more than 50 people for sure. And I'll be celebrating it in my hometown. So I'm looking for all the bookings and everything and getting the guest list, like who all are coming and basically everything. This is my first time organizing something and I'm super nervous about it. I don't want to get anything wrong and I want it to be very perfect. I know it won't be perfect. There are always some things that could have been better, but I'll try my best to make it perfect. And now the plan is I'm planning to get some gift for my parents. I'm not sure that if I'll get it today itself, but at least I'm going out and I'll look for it. If not, I'll take my parents and make them buy whatever they want. So yes, that is the plan. And how pretty my face is looking, that is because this. Do you see? See, the sun is very pretty. It's almost evening now and the sun is setting and the light looks perfect. So yes, that is the plan. And I'm starting the vlog for the same thing. Like I'll try to vlog if the celebration goes well, even if it doesn't go well. Let's hope that it goes well, but I'll try to vlog it. So I started it today.
This was supposed to be done very early, like at least 2 to 3 weeks pehle. I was planning to do it all, but nahi ho paya because of some reasons and my schedule wasn't fixed, so I couldn't finalize the date. I didn't know if it is happening or not. Also, it was clear that I'll be celebrating on 21st and
Then I started doing things. Today is, what's the date today? It's 17th. Sorry, इतना confusion date में ये काट दूंगी मैं. But yes, today is 17th. Tomorrow is 18, 19, 20. No, today is 18th. Yeah, today is 18th. And yes, that is it. कितना confusion हुआ यार ये date में. But anyways, I'm confused. I just returned from my office, freshened up, got ready, and now I'll be leaving. I hope I don't get late and I hope that I get something. So yes, that is the plan. Marine Drive. I don't know if you guys can see the sun, but it looks so pretty. It will be setting in 15-20 minutes, I guess. And I just wanted to capture it in a better way, but it's okay, I guess. I'll come here some other day for sunset. I'll make sure I come at least once. I'm here at Tanishq. Now let's go in and see if I get what I need. So guys, I got 2 gold coins, one for my dad and one for my mom. And it was super quick. I went, it was near Marine Drive, the Tanishq store, and the person there was very helpful. He helped me out. It was me buying it for the first time, so I had lot of doubts. I asked him everything and finalized 2 coins and got it. Wait, I'll show it to you. I'm so happy. The coins in the room safely because I was very afraid to carry them with me, and now I'm hungry, so I'll go and have vada pav. I have found a place near my hotel that serves really good vada pavs and the uncle there is so sweet, so I'll go and have vada pav there and then I'll have dinner a bit late, I guess. The office right now. Yesterday I came back and had some food and slept. That is all I did. Subha I thought of vlogging, but I was running super late, so I didn't vlog. Now I'm in office. I'll have some coffee from here and then go and work. hotel room after my office and I have already started packing क्योंकि tomorrow is the last day of our stay here but कल तो सुबह 5 बजे निकलना है हम लोग को पुणे जाने के लिए. So I'll have to shift today itself and I'm already halfway through. फ्लैशबैक हुआ मुझे वो वाला जब मैं मेरे हॉस्टल रूम की पैकिंग कर रही थी वो वाला. बट आई वोंट टेल यू हाउ मच आई हैव डन बट आई हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. द बेस्ट लाइन इज दैट. एंड नाउ द थिंग इज आई हैव टू पैक एवरीथिंग, मूव इट टू द अदर रूम, दैट इज अदर रूम इन द सेंस पीजी में जाके सामान रख दूंगी. बट आई कम बैक एंड स्टे फॉर टू नाइट हियर. क्यों लग्जरी वेस्ट करना है ना. लाइक किया है कंपनी ने बुक तो लेट मी मेक यूज़ ऑफ इट. आई विल बी कमिंग बैक, स्टेइंग हियर, लाइक स्लीपिंग फॉर द नाइट, गेटिंग रेडी टुमारो मॉर्निंग यहाँ से ही एंड देन आई लीव. सो द थिंग इज़ मुझे पुणे से अमलनेर भी जाना. दैट इज़ वेयर आई स्टे फॉर माई पेरेंट्स एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेशन. सो उसका भी थोड़ा थोड़ा पैक करना है. अभी तक पूरा प्लानिंग भी नहीं हुआ है. मतलब मुझे एग्जैक्ट गेस्ट का काउंट नहीं मिल रहा है. आई एम स्टिल फिगरिंग आउट. कोई छूट नहीं रहा है, कोई छूट नहीं रहा है, तो उसके वजह से इट इज़ नॉट हैपनिंग. बट एक रफ काउंट तो है मेरे पास. ऑल्सो नेहा विल बी लुकिंग फॉर डेकोरेशन एंड केक बट वो अभी नहीं है टाउन में. तो शी विल बी कमिंग टुडे इवनिंग आई गेस एंड देन she'll do it tomorrow but I trust her, she'll get it done. So yes, ये 3 बैग्स तो है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा सामान फैला पड़ा हुआ है. ये टेबल पे सामान है. आई नीड टू पैक इट ऑल. और थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे कहीं पे बीच में ही सामान पड़ा हुआ है. यहाँ पे मेरे ब्लेजर्स एंड ऑल पड़े हुए हैं तो आई नीड टू पैक. ये फुटवेयर पैक करना है. सो lot of work. Ignore the thing that you can see besides me but yes, I'll have to get it done as soon as possible क्योंकि मैं already late हूँ and shifting is such a tiring process. But let's do it. Already a bit late, so let's run and bye bye to this hotel room. It was a beautiful stay here and I'll be leaving now. So yes, bye bye, I'll see you. Actually, it's almost 6:45 now and this is Chetna and we have our travels at 7. I came to her room by 5, spent 2 hours there and now we are on our way to catch the travels. Very late. I hope we just don't miss it. My mom dad don't know that she is coming along with me. They just know that I am coming. And even about that, my mom is doubtful like why am I coming? Just for a day, it doesn't make sense क्योंकि उनकी एनिवर्सरी तो 25th को है. सो शी डजंट हैव दैट डाउट कि वो एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट करने आ रही है बट 21st को क्यों आ रही है एक दिन के लिए. सो ये शी ऑलरेडी हैज़ सम डाउट. आई गेस आई विल हैव टू टेल हर टुमारो मॉर्निंग बट पापा के लिए तो पूरा सरप्राइज ही रखने की कोशिश होगी. Let's see how it goes and now I'll catch you once we board the travels. So yes, the video quality is very terrible. I don't guess, the video quality is very terrible. Here is Chetna and we have finally boarded the bus without any chaos. It was a smooth boarding. बस हमें वो stop ढूंढने में थोड़ी दिक्कत हुई but we reached on time. the bus was 15 minutes late, so we were on time. And yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow maybe, or if we stop for dinner somewhere, I'll catch you then. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow once I reach my home. So guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but we were supposed to reach by 6:30 and it's now 7:45 and we haven't reached yet. मतलब कुछ ना कुछ गलत होना ही होता है. I thought I'll reach. Yeah, I thought I'll reach on time. I'll spend time with everyone. Like, bus I'm going for 12 hours, so at least let me spend 12 hours with my family. यार मतलब I'm just pissed with the travels person because he's driving so slow. For what reason, I have no idea. I guess we'll reach by 8:15 or 8:30. But let's see now what happens. मी तुला एक वर्ड सांगेल आणि तू तो आजूबाजूला शोधायचा आहे. The word is विजय.
Look at your right side also. Not that far. Right side पिलू. Right side आहे ना? हाँ मग right side ला बघ. एकदम तुझ्या right side ला आहे. गेर पिलू गेर. गेर नाही मला समजलं. इकडे side ला होतं. बाबा आली तर चिडते ना पिलू असं side वर. आई बाबा. पिलू straight in front of you पिलू. विजय.
हाँ.
विजय मारुति मंदिर.
Right.
विजय मारुति.
Tomorrow we have a big function at our place, so this is the preparation for the same. शायद यहाँ पे stage बनेगा, वो सब prepare कर रहा है. And yes, so this is how it is, but I won't be there for the function. Now me, Neha,
Our life is all about
and Chetu are here for getting the decoration finalized, and there is lot of chaos. And if it works out, then it's fine. If it doesn't, then I don't know what I'm going to do. But yes, वो बोल रही है कि मैंने उसको लेना नहीं चाहिए, but she has no idea that I have already taken her in the vlog. So yes, let's see. So the food is sorted. Everything is sorted. The decoration is sorted. Cake is almost sorted. I'll talk with her once. And now we'll go back home. Before that, we'll have something. गन्ने का जूस. Yeah, that is what we are going to have. And then we are rushing back home because घर पे मेहमान आए हैं, मेरे को उनसे मिलना है. So yes, one day at my hometown and it's full of rush. That is how it is supposed to be, I guess. I'm grown up now. Let's go back home. माझ्या vlog मध्ये येणार. माझ्या vlog मध्ये येणार तू. ओ. The decoration is almost done. I just need to ask them to clean this mess up. Otherwise, this is how the decoration looks like.